Hi, welcome back. It's been glorious sunshine all day, so I'm going to do the video outside. And today's video, if you haven't read what you've clicked on, is going to be about a new Xbox One controller. Those people into gaming will definitely know that the controller is one of the main selling points of one of the consoles, I'd say. And it is one of the most important things when you're gaming. It's one of the reasons why I didn't buy a PlayStation. I just never liked the controller. This is probably one of my favorite controllers. It is the red Chrome Edition Xbox 360 controller. Now this controller I much prefer to the Xbox One controller, but it's a shame that they had to change it for the Xbox One. So my current Xbox One controller is the black one. This one came out with the Xbox One, and it is showing some serious signs of wear and tear. Notably, the front of this is worn away. So it kind of sticks there. Probably just shows the way I play my games. I'm always rushing in. But yeah, I felt it's time for a change. So what I have bought is the new Xbox One controller, and also a charge kit. So in the play and charge kit, you get the little Xbox battery and a cable which you plug into the top of your controller, and it charges while you play, and then you just unplug it when it's fully charged. So this is the box for the one I have gone for. It's the grey-green edition, and so this was about £50. They range from anywhere between £39 to about £70. I think Sea of Thieves one is quite expensive at the moment, but it's quite garish in its colour scheme. So I'm gonna cut this one open, and before I do, what can we say about it? It's Bluetooth. It will work with Xbox One and also Windows 10, which is pretty good. This is the new one, so it's the S version, and apparently it's got better range, and we've also got grip on the back this time, because this is smooth, and if you get sweaty hands, I don't usually get sweaty hands, but I think the grip will definitely give a bit of an edge. Some noisy birds around here. But let's crack it open. Howdy. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so we've opened it up. Comes nicely presented, and quite hard to get out. Here we go. The good thing about these remotes, these controllers, they always come with AA batteries. So I'm waiting for the charge kit to come. I'll use those AA's in something else. It's a shame they're not AAA, and then I could use them in some of those toys that I've bought. You're also welcomed with a load of books, just warranties and how to use it. Unnecessary stuff. The thing we're most interested in is the controller. So this one is pretty cool. It's all grey, and the back has got grip on it apparently. It's not rubberized, but it's just got little dimples on the back. I will just put in the other controller battery. So if we power this one up, the light is also a bit different on the front, and this is all one part, which is pretty cool. And then for those who don't know, you just push this button on the top and get it to start flashing, and then push the same button on the side of the Xbox One, and that will get it to sync up with it. I know a lot of PlayStation fanboys always say that PlayStation's much better, but I never had a problem connecting a controller to an Xbox One. So what can we say about this controller? All you need to know is this is where the charge comes in, and then the bottom I've got the headphone jack, just a standard headphone jack. I use a pair of headphones with a mic that work pretty well with my Xbox. And then also maybe for the chat pad, or I don't know, maybe if you've got the old style one, maybe that goes in there as well. But I know you can get the chat pad, so if you want to send some salty messages to someone who's annoyed you, you can get it done faster. If I want to send a long salty message, usually I'll just log into my Xbox account on my phone and just send it from there. So the differences are between these two, not much. You've just got a loss of colour on the buttons, but you've still got colour on the inside. But I don't really. This one would probably go nice with a grey sort of interior. So I suppose that's what all these buying different colours is all about. Personality and showing, just going with big furniture. Here it is, £50. It's probably my favourite controller of the new consoles. I haven't really tried the PlayStation controller, so I don't really know what that is about, but The switch looks awful. I wasn't expecting to do this video, but unfortunately I had to get a new controller and thought I might as well unbox some bit of tech, get away from those loot boxes. So I have stocked the loot crates now. In their place, I might be getting some random crap of Wish or start something else, some sort of other loot mystery box, monthly mystery box thing. If you have something that you really want me to review, maybe a £9 smartwatch or a £20 drone that actually has a camera, not a mini drone, then leave a comment and I will see what I can do about it. But yeah, that's it for now. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new and like the video, and also comment on what you'd like to see next. I'll see you later. Bye.